Can you imagine which organ actually controls and coordinates all the activities of all the organ systems in your body? Well, it is the nervous system, right? Just look at this, how your brain actually develops when you are 52 days old, when you become mature, how the development of the brain takes place. Look at the size of the brain that is growing. So 20 weeks brain looks like this, 6 months brain, look like this, 9 months brain looks like this, and in adults even more development is there. So just look at this special organ, the main organ of a nervous system, that is the brain, our brain, right? So our brain is made up of 75% of water and approximately 30,000 million neurons, and it weighs about 1.3 to 1.4 kgs, and main in nervous system, and it's the main organ in nervous system actually. And the information in the brain, can you tell me how fast does it travels? It travels at a speed of 430 kilometers per hour. So this is the speed of this travel, information how it's traveling. And the sensory, there are impulses that travel through the peripheral nerves and your spinal cord towards the brain, using the network of these neurons, these special cells. And there are many such gaps which we call as synapses. So you will all learn this when we are going to study this chapter. But just look at how, how wonderful is this organ which is controlling everything, right? So just see the network of neurons, how each neuron is connected to other neuron by the connections which we call as what? I told you earlier, synapses, right? Just look at how the brain controls the body movements. These are the functions of the brain. And brain also controls other activities of your body. It's a main controlling center, you can say. How does it control? It sends motor impulses through the spinal cord and the peripheral nerves towards what? Towards the effector organs like the muscles. This is how you act. And there are specialized structures in the body which receive and send stimulus to the brain, which we call as the receptors. So these specialized organs, these specialized receptors, they are going to receive the stimulus and going to send that in the form of impulse to the brain, right, for appropriate responses. Just look at when somebody is actually participating, a car race. So driving a race car requires what? It requires proper control and coordination and the use of your nervous system. So your mind needs to be very much focused, your brain needs to be very much focused to its maximum extent, as you can see when you are actually in a car racing, right? So heart beats faster. And when heart beats faster, what does this mean? This means that the oxygen is being supplied through the blood to your brain, right? Why? Because you need the working and the functioning of the brain to the maximum extent. So it supplies more oxygen to the brain cells when your heart beats faster. So this is how proper control and coordination is there by the brain. So as you can see, optic nerves, they send the images in the form of nerve impulses. We call that messages in the form of, nerve impulses to vision area for perception, for analysis, for processing, and your brain just interprets and just sends that, order to the effector organs. And your brain actually takes the decisions. So how to control nerves on curves? So when your brain, is working, actually brain works all the time, you can say. So your brain is working, it is controlling and coordinating each and every system of your body. It is a main control and coordination center in the body, and it forms a main organ of your nervous system that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So if your brain functioning is not proper, this means that all other organs that are there in your body, they will not be functioning well. So brain is a main control center in your body. And if you suppose that the functioning of the brain actually fails at times, what it is going to lead to? If it fails, then obviously there is nothing beyond that, right? So you can imagine how important brain is for our system, for our body. It's a main control and coordination center of the body and the main organ of nervous system that we'll discuss in detail.